Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create this makeup look. We're going to start with concealer on the eyelid and on the top of the eyebrow. We're going to use this to carve out the eyebrow and prime for the other colors that are following. I'm using this blue eyeliner from Morphe to create a base on the eyelid so the blue adheres better to it and also it pops a little bit better. And then here you're just going to get a big clean fluffy brush and then you're just going to blend the edges and you're going to take a lime green shade a little bit higher than the blue just to add a transition shade, and then you're going to go in with a little bit of a greener shade also as a transition, and then place a blue on the lid. Here I'm just blending in the blue with the other transition shades. Now I'm adding my Tarte Shape Tape foundation and adding concealer beneath my eyes and adding some contour with a darker shade of the Tarte Shape Tape foundation. Here I just set my under eyes with the Revolution banana powder, and I'm working on my lower lash line. I added blue eyeliner to my waterline and smoking it out with blue and also green, and then the lowest part of it is going to be lime green. Here I'm just removing the excess powder from the rest of my face so it doesn't look cakey, and I could add the blush. This is the Tropic Hues by Laura Geller, and adding Gilded Honey as the highlight and also to my brow bone. Here I'm just popping on some eyelashes and I'm going to work on my other eye now. And there you have it, your look is complete. If you like the video, please like and share. Thank you so much for watching.